Good morning, students. Today we'll be continuing on topic, yesterday's topic, that is departmental undertaking. Yesterday's class we have been seeing meaning, features, introduction. So today's class will be seeing merits of your departmental undertaking. So going for the merits, the first one is this undertaking facilitates the parliament to exercise efficient control over the operation. So this meaning is whatever work is being taken place in departmental undertaking, all the facilities, should be provided from the parliament directly. The control also should be having from the parliament on the operation. Whatever operation is been taking place in by departmental undertakings, that is from the government departmental undertaking, all these things should be controlled, managed, and provided by the parliament and the members of the concerned department ministers. From the parliament we will be having ministers. From there the full control of the operation should be taken place. So I given you two images of one is the parliament where the discussions will go on the operations, and other one is where the members will have the meeting towards the whatever the operations have been taken from the departmental undertaking. Next, it ensures a high degree of public accountability. So, whatever work they are doing from departmental undertaking, everything should be accountable for the public. Public will raise the questions. For example, where they construct, during the election time, they construct the roads, the star roads and all. They will again put the tars on the road. So if the tar what they're putting on the road, it is not the good quality, the public will go and ask the councillors. They will question. So accountable, high degree of accountable means where public have all the rights on the work what they're doing to ask questions to the government. So departmental undertaking what they do the work, it is highly public accountable, where they should ensure it is whatever the work they have done, it is up to the mark. Next, the revenue earned by the enterprises goes directly to the treasuries, and since it is a source of income for the government, so the earned the revenue in the form of, it is in the form of taxations. Let it be income tax or any tax, it directly goes to the government treasures. Like your, so whatever the income they collect from the public people, or whatever the income it is coming from the other sources of the departmental, it directly goes to the government treasure, like your RBI and other treasures are there in your government. It goes directly as the sources of income for the government department. Next, where national security is considered, this form is most suitable since it is under the direct control and supervision of the concerned minister. So here, whatever work is being taking place in from that department, for example railway department, constructions of your tracks means the railway department for that state. Each state will be having the departmental ministers. From parliament it goes for the general concerned minister, from that minister it goes for the state concerned ministers. So all the work are directly controlled and supervised by the concerned minister. So here the work of security is considered very high because it is a national work. Next, moving on to the limitations of departmental undertaking. So first one is departmental undertaking fails to provide flexibility, which is essential for the smooth operation of the business. See here the first image, the chain is cut. from that the work will not move, okay, so they will stick on there only, like that. If from the departmental, if work have been stopped for particular period, it is not going to take place, okay. There will be no flexibility of working, okay, in the time of urgency. So we cannot tell you have been stopped work for last month, so you complete the work in this month, we cannot tell. And even there will not be a smooth run of the business operation in your departmental undertaking. So each one will be showing the other parties, okay, he is not done work, he is not done work, so each one will be blaming on the other party for the work. Next, the employees or head of the department of such undertakings are not allowed to take independent decision. So what here, the head of the departmental, okay, as I've been told, each department will be having ministries. From their ministry, there will be having a sub departments, okay. So these departmental officers are not able to take the decisions on their own dependence, okay. They need to take, okay, decisions by asking the higher authorities. Higher authority need to ask for the concerned administrator need to ask for the again parliament, okay. The chain of taking decision here, it is very very long, and it is a very long process. See here, without the approval of the ministry concerned, this leads to delay in matter where promotes decisions are required, okay. So where the labors need to go and ask for the departmental supervisions need to go and ask for the head need to go and ask for the councillors need to go and ask for the MLA need to go and ask for the concerned minister need to go and ask for the departmental minister need to go and ask for the head departmental. So at departmental need to go and ask for the parliament, okay. So the chain is very very big here. What it is, the chain is very very big, and even the decisions taking places also will be very delaying here. So for example, see one image. So they need to take the CC cameras, okay. They need to fit the CC cameras in all the railway departments. So here the work of fitting CC camera is very big. So railway minister should approval and provide funds for the railway department to fit the CC cameras. Yeah. Next one, these enterprises are unable to take advantages of business operations. The bureaucrats over cautions are concerned approval does not allow them to take risk adventures, okay. So here whatever the bureaucrat means the head, okay, one person needs to give the approval. So whatever they give here, it needs to take the permissions, okay. They don't need to take a very big projects, okay, and they don't need to take the risk whatever has been involved in the approvals, okay, because here they need to answer for the public, okay. Since that is a whatever work is being taking, they need to take a very clear images, okay, or clear decisions to be taken, and all these steps to be taken in a very clear form. So the head of the parliament will be our prime minister, so he will be answerable for anything goes wrong. For that case, they will not take any risky works and projects here. Next, there is a red tapeism in day-to-day operation, and no action can be taken unless it goes through the proper chain of authority. So here there is a proper chain of authority. See here, I have been from CEO, from the accounting, operation manager, managing deliver. So how this chain is there, right? Same way there will be a chain of authorities in your government department also. So same way, even in the government department also there will be having a chain, okay, like the same chain will be there in your government authorities also. So whatever operation is taken place for day to day activity, it should be taken from the chain of operation. Next, there is a lot of political influence to the ministers. So if they should be taking, so here the influence of the ministers are very high because they need to see whether the work of their influence has been taken. Okay, so one party is okay, so one party will be influencing the ministers, it should be from our side. Okay, the other party will be influencing from other side. So here political influence is very very high in your departmental undertakings. Next, these organizations are usually incentive to customer needs and they not provide adequate services to them. So here they lose the customer confidence. Okay, that is the public confidence. Okay, because the work which is being taken by the departmental undertaking, it takes very long process. Okay, it is very delay. So what people do, people lose the trust on the government and the departmental work. That is what has been happening here. So here the adequate service to the customer is not provided on time, so there is a lack of efficiency in the customer confidence. So by this your departmental undertaking is getting to an end. So tomorrow class we will be seeing a new topic. Thank you students.